Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to add music to Instagram Notes, new feature in 2024. First of all, you need to open up the Instagram application. After opening the app, tap on the DM icon from the top right corner. From the inbox or DM, you will see the Your Notes option from the top left corner. Tap on Your Notes icon. Then tap on the music icon from here. You can add any of the following songs from the given option, or you can search for any specific song from here. Now pick any random song, select the lyrics and add it. After that, you can write anything in your notes. Once you're done, click to share it on your notes. Then, you can see your notes from your DM. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.